Hello, dear Dinka learners. Welcome back again. Today we are going to learn how to introduce yourself in Dinka language. So, in Dinka language, when you meet people, you have to greet them first. After greeting them, you start by saying your name, you say where you come from, and where you are going. At the end, you have to appreciate the people for welcoming you and giving you time to introduce yourself. So, that's a normal way of meeting people and greeting people in Dinka language. So let us see how you can introduce yourself in Dinka language. So watch the full video to the end so that you can learn this important topic in Dinka language. So let us begin from number one. You start by greeting. Wig achamot. Wig achamot mean I greet you all. Chuig back. Chuig back. How are you? Chuig back mean how are you? You can also say Wigachamot, I greet you all. These are two way of greeting people. Then after greeting, you come back and start introducing yourself. Say your name and where you come from. And Brianche Luel and Brianche Luel. I will say my names. Rianche Achol Maleng Deng. Rianche Achol Maleng Deng. Mean my names are Malek Deng. Or you can also say Anchol William Majak. Anchol William Majak. I am called William Majak. So you put your name there instead of William Majak. So these are two ways of saying your name in Dinka language. You greet people. After greeting, you say your name. After you say your name, you start by saying, you tell the people where you come from. So let us see. Enbo Gen Chol Nyamlel. And Bo Gen Chol Nyamlel mean I come from Nyamlel town. I come from Nyamlel town. Ku en beduk nyak. Ku en beduk nyak mean and I will return back tomorrow. And I will return back tomorrow. Duk nyak mean return back tomorrow. Nyak mean tomorrow. After that, you can appreciate them. If you don't have much to say, you can appreciate the people for giving you time to introduce yourself. So let us see how you can appreciate them. And chipo miat apai dit yakole. And chipo miat apai dit yakole. I am very excited today. Why are you excited? Kishiwek and Lord up. Kishiwek and Laura Path for welcoming me well. So you are excited. You tell people how you are happy because they welcome you well. We actually paid it. We actually paid it. I appreciate you so much. Nyalish abueg dodge. Nyalish abueg dodge. God will bless you. God will bless you all. If you want to go, you can start by saying Ogabu Ben Rom la ruon tui Ogabu Ben Rom nyak Ogabu Ben Rom that they you can say anything. Ogabu Ben Rom la ruon tui mean we shall meet next year. And Chibijam Apay and Chibijam Apay. I will not talk too much. Jam dear about coach iten. Jam dear because iten. My speech will end here. So, Yenakan, The End by William Majak Malekdeng, Ran Pui Tongjang, Tongjang, or Dinka language, or Dinka language. Please, you go to our YouTube. The name of our YouTube channel is called Dinka English TV5. Please go there and subscribe. Share the video to your loved one. Watch the full video so that you can also understand and know how to introduce yourself in Dinka language. So this is the end. If you find this one useful, please consider to subscribe. If you subscribe, it is not going to do anything. It's not going to take my time from you. Just subscribe, like, or share the video, and that is important way of helping our page, so that our page can have a lot of subscribers, and also we have a lot of people who can benefit from our free lesson here in YouTube. So this is the end. My name is William Madang. Bye bye. See you next lesson. Ciao.